Meaning of grind.
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 Grind. The word grind has several meanings depending on the context. As a verb, it can mean to crush or pulverize something into small particles or powder using a mechanical device or a repetitive motion. It can also refer to the act of rubbing two surfaces together to cause friction or wear down their edges. In a figurative sense, grind can mean working hard and persistently towards a goal despite difficulties, often with a sense of monotony or boredom. The result of grinding may be a smooth or fine texture, a polished surface, or achieving a desired outcome through perseverance.